Hey, you tell Tijuana Mama down there, old boat captain said hello. Hey, flip the nickel from the blue waters. Tell Tijuana Mama boat captain said hello, hello, hello.
I'm up there now if you want to hear it.
What, are you out here? Hey, 1154, I got you on the Watergate. Boat captain around these shaky grounds, and I still got the Watergate rolling. Boat captain 711 worldwide, tired of the DX, got on down. I got you in there, I think. I tried.
I got a little fish case. You heard the little fish case there, boat captain?
No, I haven't heard it yet. I was trying to get her in there.
Let me, sure she won't mind if I play it again. I want a little fish. I want a little fish. You got a copy on 400 Watergate Island. I think it is Charlie Whiskey, 185, right there. Go ahead. Yeah, 185. I got a good copy on you. San Francisco Bay, waving a big iron at Honolulu, 185, 316, sitting on the dock of the San Francisco Bay, waving a hand. No, I'm going to do
Boat captain around these shakies getting on down.
That's all right, you got the gate going, hang on.